Welcome to this stunning 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home in the sought-after Newhouse Farms subdivision, where country living meets convenience, just minutes from town. Situated on over an acre of land, this one-owner Lantrip Custom Home offers breathtaking views of the rolling hills and a peaceful, private setting outside of the city limits, meaning no city taxes. The backyard is fully fenced for added privacy, creating the perfect retreat. Inside, you'll find an open-concept design with a split-bedroom layout, offering both functionality and privacy. The generous kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring custom white cabinets, granite countertops, and a large walk-in pantry. The main living areas boast luxury vinyl plank flooring and crown molding, with cozy carpet in the bedrooms. The spacious primary suite is a true retreat, complete with a freestanding soaking tub, separate walk-in shower, dual sinks, and an expansive walk-in closet. Step outside to enjoy the beautifully landscaped yard and covered back porch, where a gorgeous tongue-and-groove ceiling adds a touch of elegance. The extended concrete slab provides extra space for outdoor activities and entertaining. The above-ground pool provides additional fun. Other highlights include energy-efficient features like a programmable thermostat, a sprinkler system and a convenient 2-car garage offering ample storage. This beautiful